Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn about how to edit or modify purchase or expense bill. Okay, so once you create the expense bill, all the transaction will appear here. Okay, and if you go into the supplier and click on particular supplier, then you will get the same transaction list from here. Okay, so if I want to change or make modification, then I have to click on reference number. As you can see, the entries of that particular invoices. Now if I want to edit the transaction, then I have to click here. Here you can change the invoice or bill in two types. You can change the basic details of the invoices from here, and from entries you can change the nominals and amount from here. Let me show you how to change the nominal. I'm going to change from purchase to carriage. Okay, after modification you need to just click on OK. As you can see, our account has been modified. Similarly, if you want to delete a transaction, then you can click on delete selected transactions. Okay, and if you want to change the type of transaction from purchase invoice, if you change from purchase invoice to sales invoice or sales credit note or purchase credit note, then you can do it from here. You can also reverse all amounts of selected transactions from here. You can make copy of selected transactions from here. Okay, you can also create recurring transactions from here. You can raise credit note directly from here. And if you go into the supplier, you click on particular supplier, you will get the same display. You need to click on reference number. Okay, so this is the same display which we have already shown. Now let me show you how to create how to modify or change the amount of particular transaction. For that purpose, I'll click on edit and come into the entries. Now let me change this amount. So it is 1200, and let me change from 1200 to 2400 in negative, and I'll change this amount by taking 20% VAT. Okay, so after changing the amount, I'll just click on OK, so you can see the modification. So in this manner we can edit or modify or delete bills in VT software. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel.